Video, good afternoon, Cargojet 580 is 14 back for the left-hand visual on the 06.
Cargojet 580, Mirabel radio, good afternoon, roger, runway 06, active runway 06, wind 0603, altimeter 299er2, traffic turning half mile, final runway 06, doing left-hand circuits, touch and go, Cessna 172. Cargojet 580, additional traffic, 1 o'clock, 9 miles. Cessna 172, 2,000 feet. We'll be staying south of your final, following you for the base.
We have traffic 12 o'clock just east of the Hermas beacon. Is that the aircraft on final?
It might be. There's nothing east of the beacon. The one on final is now on the initial climb, and the one I just passed is about 4 miles south of the beacon.
Okay. He just disappeared. Thank you. Jet 580, we're 2 miles final now, runway 06.
Cargojet 580, roger, wind 0604. Cargojet 580, roger, contact me on 1218.
118.